What's up? I'm your girl Duchess the Doll, and I'm here with a tutorial trying to show you how I do my eyebrows. Okay. So just a little disclaimer, I'm gonna be using some chemicals. So as you can see, my eyebrows, like, they really need to be done, and so does everything else on my freaking body. Like, I don't know what's going on here. But yeah. So I'm gonna show you how I do my eyebrows. So basically what I do, I actually Nair them. So what you're gonna need is some Nair. This Nair is actually sent for sensitive skin. It's for your face. Like, I would not recommend using the Nair that's for your body because it's a lot harsher. Yeah, so as you can see, it's Nair for face, and it has like grapeseed oil and antioxidants, rich, reverse, blah blah blah. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna also be using a Q-tip to actually put it on properly and align it. I'm gonna be using some baby wipes to wash it off. You can use like a wet cloth or towel rag with water on it. Obviously that's why it's wet. But I'm just choosing to use wipes because I'm not in the bathroom and I don't want a huge mess, and because I can. And then also some petroleum jelly, Vaseline, whatever you want to call it. So let's what? Okay. First thing I'm gonna be doing is taking a little bit of this, putting it on here. Now please be very careful because if you get this in your eye, your whole life is ruined. So I just put it here like as if I was contouring my eyebrows. And honestly, like, I low-key don't care if I shave off my whole entire eyebrow because I literally just draw them on anyways. So like, who cares, you know? Yeah, so, and then the last time I did this, I literally took off too much. So I'm just gonna shape them up in the way that I want. If you feel like your eye is burning a little, it's normal because look how close it is to your eye. So obviously the fumes that are right there on your eyebrow coming into your eye a little bit. So with this, we are going to leave it on for 10 minutes. No, that's a lie. I'm lying. Don't listen to that. We're gonna leave it on for, they say 5 minutes, and then you do a test. And then in 5 minutes, if nothing's coming on, leave it on for a little bit longer, but don't exceed 10 minutes. Because, sorry, I'm left-handed. I can't do this. But yeah, so just do it like that. Like, I really don't care about, like, shaping it up precisely and perfect. I just want that extra hair gone. Because like I said, I draw it on anyways, so who cares? My eyebrows are cousins. They are not sisters. One looks different than the other, but it's like they're both cute in their own way, so it's just like I don't even know which one to choose. Yeah. So yeah, I'll just line it up like that. If you want to do your lip or whatever else, any other hair that you don't want on your face, you can do that too. I'm gonna just go up here in the middle because I don't want a unibrow. Do you? Do you want a unibrow? I don't want a unibrow. Okay. Just gonna touch it up a little. My eyebrows, they're like so different, but it's fine because you know what, I draw them on and they will eventually look alike today at some point. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna start the timer. if you have never used this before, I'd recommend doing a skin test. But like, does anybody really do like a skin test? Like, really? Like, you either just do it and take the chance or you don't. Like, I swear. But yeah, do a skin test. You know, if your skin starts to burn immediately and turn red or something, then you might not want to use it. Like, yeah. Like, I really look so hideous right now, but like, I swear I'm hot. Like, I swear. 2 minutes in, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Oh, I'm so hairy. I should have naired this too. The hell? Ew. Okay, so it's officially been 5 minutes, but I know how my eyebrows are. They're super coarse, so I'm gonna go to like 9 minutes and 59 seconds. It says test before each use. Like, every time you use it, test again. Like, yeah, right. If I'm good the first time, I'm gonna be okay the second time, okay? I've really been into like R&B lately. Okay, so it's been 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes. We're at the 8-minute mark. I also like to go this way, just in case I'm really stubborn ones that don't want to get the hell off my face. This is terrible. Don't even try this at home. Yeah. So yeah, this part never really grows anyways. That part either. Oh my gosh, I burnt myself. No. Okay. So yeah, that's that. That is that. Could have did a little bit more, but I can plug that. It's fine. Okay. So now at this moment, all this rubbing, the acid is actually still going on my face, you know? You always have a little bit on you still. So, acid neutralizer. Oh, my eyes are burning. Okay. Okay, and this makes the burning go away. Oh my gosh, they're so red. These are my finished products. I am gonna go back in and pluck a little bit of that, but look how much time it just saved me. Instead of having to pluck the whole thing, just a little piece there. My eyebrows, like I said before, they're cousins, they're not just sisters, and I fill them in anyways, so I really don't care if they don't look alike. So yeah, that was my video. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I do my eyebrows. So if you want to see that, please stick around. Please like this video, please tell your friends, please subscribe, comment below, do it all, please. All right, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.